Hi guys, welcome back to my video guys. Today is my first video. It's gonna be good. We are gonna make a game, a full game using cocos2dx. So cocos2dx a full game. This might be a zombie game. A 2D zombie game. It's gonna be good. Not that hard. Yeah. So maybe like some parts. First video. If you guys do enjoy, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Today we are gonna make the loading layer in the main scene. The first window to like load in, second window just the background, maybe add some buttons or that might be in the next part. But let's get right into it. So first we're gonna go make your cocos2dx project, put it in, make it in the command prompt, and then just go to the Explorer, go to Classes, right click, add a new item, and go to the header file, and then we're going to do main scene. You can put it anywhere you want. I'm putting it in Classes because it's easier. So main scene, add in, and then do it here again, go new item, and do the CPP version, and then that's it. Main scene. And then go, and then this is what we're gonna do. So go to the header file, go down, make sure you do hashtag include cocos2d, and then we do the class now. So we do class, main scene, public, cocos2d, and this is gonna be scene. We could do a layer, but we gotta do a scene. It's easier. And then that's it. And then we do a public, and then we do private, and then maybe protected if we do need. So let's do public. So now, first one, we're doing the scene, create scene, so static. Always make it static because it's easier. Cocos2d, scene. Don't forget to add whatever this is called. And then we're gonna do the create scene. It's a function that's in. And then we're gonna do this is for the progress bar. Progress bar, we're gonna do void, public, updates, progress bar. It's gonna be a float delta time. So floats dt. That's in. And never forget rates func. Rates underscore func. This is very important. And the parentheses, main scene. That's it. And then to define the progress bar, we're going to like to define it when we code in. Go to privates, say define progress bar. We're gonna do cocos2d progress bar, progress timer, and then we're gonna do progress bar. So progress bar. That's in. Now we can just put this in. So click on it, fix this, and then put in the CPP file. That's it. Then we go here. So don't forget and don't forget, um, we're gonna do virtual. Okay, just in case. Actually, alright, for now we'll leave like this. So always do using namespace cocos2d. There's a different way to say it, but like this is better. I don't know, but it's like easier what you're doing. So this is the scene. So we can just do not a no pointer. We're gonna do return main scene dot creates. So that's not gonna work. So a better way to do it, you can see return value does not match, right? So this is what we're gonna do. So you could just delete this, and then we're gonna do what's it called? Um, this. Well, we're gonna do auto. So we're gonna do auto scene equals scene. Make sure it's capital scene and then create because we're creating a scene, right? So we're creating it. That's a function, that's how you do it. And then we make the layer because it has to have a layer. So we do auto layer equals main scene creates like that. And then at the bottom over here, you just do add in. So you could do scene, add child, and then layer. And then we're gonna do the return scene. So add it, and then we do return scene. If you do it with the capital L, it won't work. It won't, because it's only gonna work if I change this to layer. You can see it's gonna work. Let's no, it won't work because we need a layer, so it cannot be like layer. So it has to be lowercase. That's in. Now we're gonna do the progress bar. That's the easiest part. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, have a file within another progress bar. So now we need to do the virtual bool inits. That's what I wanted. So the virtual, so we do a virtual bool inits, put it in, and we go, let's do let's do this first. Alright, so we're gonna do, since it's a scene, we're gonna do if, always do this, always do if not scene, and it's gonna be return false, return false, and then the bottom we start doing the progress bar. So this is gonna be the setup. So set up the progress bar, set up progress bar up. We're gonna do auto progress bar background. You can name it whatever you want. So background equals sprite, and then this and creates. And then we'll do this texture rect. That's gonna be the size of it, and it's gonna be uh, progress bar background. What we just named it. Set texture rect. Set texture rect. Rect. It's gonna be 0, 0. Let's do 348 over 10 like that. That's it. Then we're gonna do the color. The color is gonna be a gray. It's be gray color, and when it's loading in to be like 100% to go to the next scene, it's gonna be a blue color. But you can do it red. You could do red, whatever you want. So now right here we're gonna do the side color. So the color is gray. So we do progress bar background, and then set color, and then we do color 3B, and then we're gonna do gray. You could do green, whatever you want, but I'm going with gray. And over here, we're gonna do the position. This is gonna be in the center position. So progress bar background, set position, vec2 to 640 to 360. And then now we just add it to the scene. So this child progress bar background. It has no Z order, so you just leave it. And over here, this is where you start doing the progress bar dimension. So it goes to 100%, it goes to the next scene. So we're gonna do create the actual progress bar with same dimensions. So we're gonna do arrow bar sprite equals sprite create bar sprite, what we just named it. Oh wait, sorry, my bad. Doing equals sprite creates. Yeah, that's it. Like that. Same thing as this one. Great. Then we're gonna do the same thing in texture rect. Same thing as this. So we could just copy paste it. I'm gonna set texture rect. I copy paste this and just change the name to bar sprites. That's it. And then the color, set color, we're gonna make it blue. You could do red, black. I'm going blue. Then bottom, that's it. No more blue. Now this is where we're gonna start like loading it, like the timer for it to go. So we are gonna do. Oh, and don't forget to make this true, not false, true. So now I'm gonna do progress bar equals progress timer rates bar sprites, and then we're doing the set type, and it's gonna be a bar type. So we're gonna do progress bar set type progress bar timer type is gonna the type is gonna be a bar, and then we'll do the set midpoint. It's gonna be 0.5. So we're gonna do you could play around with it. You could do 0.765 But it's better if you do like when I'm doing 0.5, so it can be clean. So it's gonna be progress bar, yeah, like 0.5. So it means progress bar sets midpoint. No, sets midpoints to vec2. You're gonna do 0 to 0.5. That's it. And then we're doing the set the bar change rect to vec2 1 comma 0. So we're gonna do progress bar sets bar change rates vec2 to 1 comma 0. And then we're gonna do progress bar set percentage. This is where we start where it starts. So set percentage is 0. So this is gonna be start at 0%. Cause you don't want it to be start like 10%. So we start at 0. And then we'll do the position. It's gonna be in the center. Same thing as this. Copy paste this. Just change it to progress bar. And then the bottom we're gonna do with this add child. Progress bar. That's it. And then we just call it this schedule cc underscore schedule selector main scene updates progress bar like comma 0.1f. And then now we go over here. Let's put this in the bottom. And then over here we're gonna do floats. We're calling it floats percents. So it gets the percent of the progress bar. So equals progress bar get percentage. Not sets, gets. And then this is my favorites. The if conditions and the else conditions are my favorites. So I'm gonna do those. There's different ways to do it. There's like other different ways. Like I think a loop you can do or not. I don't know. But this is way better and much easier for me to do. I love these. So if percent is less than 100, so when it reaches 100, it's gonna go to the next scene. It's gonna go progress bar set percentage, and it's gonna go up by 2% plus 2. And then we're gonna add an else. Else. We're gonna do. So this is what we're gonna change the next scene. So I think we should add a new header file. But let's first do this. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna comment and say when it reaches 100%, it will go to the next layer or scene. So we're gonna do this on schedule cc underscore schedule underscore selector, and then we're gonna update it. So we're gonna do main scene, same thing, update progress bar, updates updates progress bar like that. And then the bottom, this is where the scene is gonna be. So our scene, our layer or scene, it's gonna be called loading layer. So we can make it now. It's called layer loading layer. And then we can do loading layer. Layer. Go back. And this would be auto loading scene equals loading. So let's first include loading layer. Go back. So loading layer creates scene, and then we go director get instance. And then now we're replacing the scene to the loading scene. So if you get this error, you're fine, because our code is empty, we have nothing. So that this is fine, this is already good and done. So now we go here to the header files for a loading layer. And then we're gonna do hashtag include loading layer. No, cocos2d. And this is not a scene, this is gonna be a layer. So this is gonna be called class loading layer public cocos2d layer. Now the public. Now we'll create the scene again. So static cocos2d 2d scene create scene. Then we do the virtual bool init bool. We could do boolean, but it's better. Bool virtual bool init. Then we're gonna do the create. Cannot forget this. The creates func loading layer. Then any privates are good. Just in case. Progress bar. Should we add this? Nah, don't add this. Alright, this is done. We go here now. Wait, we can't forget to add. Alright, here it is. So same thing over here. We're gonna remove this, make it a scene. Then we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go on top. Auto scene equals scene. Auto scene equals scene. Oh yeah, I forgot. Don't forget. Using namespace cocos2d. So scene creates. Then auto layer. This is basically the same thing what we just did. So layer, auto layer, loading layer Great. Then we just add it to the scene. Scene, add child, same thing, a layer. And then return scene. Now for the boolean, we have a background. This is our background right here. Let's go background 1. This I created this using Adobe Photoshop. This took uh almost a month for me to do. This took a while. So it's Adobe Photoshop. It's a PNG file. So this is what we're gonna use. I'm gonna add this in the description so you guys can download it. All right. So we go back. Make this true. Then we do the same thing. If condition, but make sure it's not a scene. It's a layer. So if not layer, layer, and it's return false. And then we'll do the background. Set the background for the game. So the auto background equals, we could do cocos2d sprites, or we could do sprites. Let's see if this works. Sprites, sprite operates, and then we put it. So this is gonna work, but I think if we don't have this, you will have to do cocos2d sprite creates. So if you want, you can remove this. It doesn't matter. So creates, and then our background names go background 1.png. So let's do background, the position, background, set position, again effect 2, make it 640 by 360. Make sure it's a comma. And then we'll do the background, the set content size, like the content size. Make sure it's 1280, comma 720. So background, set content size, the size. So 1280, 720. And then this add child. This has a z order of -1. So add child background, comma -1. And then we are done. So if you don't know, go back to app.delegate.cpp, change this, the design resolution size, make sure it's on 1280 720, and then we go here, and then we'll do the main scene. So it's gonna run the main scene. So we're gonna do main. Wait, first let's hashtag included. So delete this. Main scene. Go back here. Let's make this false. This is for the FPS when you run it. We don't need it. Actually, I'll leave it for now and I'll show you guys. So true. Go back here. This is gonna be main scene. Now we're done. So now when we debug, we should see everything we have. So let's do it. Debug. So here it is. Wait, we have an error. Error. What is it? Illegal. That is not, what does that mean? Illegal operation. Um, if return false, let's see this. If not, the heck? Illegal? So let's see how we gonna fix this. So legal operation. Alright, never got this before. So we could do a private, um, let's see, so maybe loading layer dot h, it's a layer. Um, the heck? It's a boolean, of course. A boolean loading layer dot init return false. Let me see. Uh, we can do. Don't look. Let's add this. Let's see if this is gonna make a difference. Wait, are we missing the hat? We're missing the hashtag. No, we're not. So let's just do hashtag if and diff score loading underscore underscore layer underscore h score. That's gonna be define hashtag define. Same thing as this. And then the bottom I'm gonna do over here hashtag and if. I don't know if that makes a difference. Doesn't? Let me see. Wait, hashtag and what am I missing? If this, if and then if. Oh, what the heck? Why is this here? Let me see now. Should work. No. Okay. What if I do scene? Let's see. Why isn't it working? Alright, give me a second here. What the heck? Oh, pause loading layer. Oh, wait. Did I forget to do? Wait. Oh yeah, look, I haven't. Look, as you guys can see, I'm missing a function. I forgot the parentheses. Look at this. Oh, I know. If layer, look, I forgot this. So over here, don't forget to add and then add one more. That's what I'm missing. I fixed. Let's go. Same thing for the main. Right here, add right here, here. So everything is good. Loading this and that. Okay, now we're good. Now let's test it. So now we're good. Yep, it works. There we go. Now we're just debugging, and then we should see it. Okay. Now why is this happening? Wait, bottom, listen, same. Let me see if I add a background. Hold on. I don't see no background, nothing, nothing. What is happening? Right scene. What down here? What am I doing wrong? Void main scene. Oh my, throw false. Okay. Auto layer equals loading layer that decorates scene at child return scene. What's happening? I don't see layer. Oh, black screen. Vegetable. Let's see if we do the virtual pool override. So over here, let's see if we add. No, that's not gonna do anything. Hold on, let me see if I remove the main scene. So let's see. Yeah, let's remove main scene. And then we go here back to loading layer. Create scene, layer.cpp, this and that. Got age 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Background, and then let's see. So we should see now just the background and no progress bar, just the background. So we should see now. If it works, then there's something wrong with the main scene that I gotta fix. Okay, our background works. So you can see over here it works. Okay, so you can see it works. Okay, let's remove this to false. So right here to false. False. Okay, now let's bring back the loading. And let's do this. Copy everything here. Put it here. Let's see if that works. Oh, 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 is that why? Is that why it's spelled incorrectly? Is this why? Look at this. What the heck is this? Init, init. Like, bro, what the heck? Now it should work, right? Main scene. Oh my god, please work. Main scene. Main scene. Alright, now it should work, right? There we go. There we go. And then boom. There. We fixed it. So as you can see, we did it correctly. We did it. It was just the thing, the name was spelled wrong. That's fine. We'll make mistakes. I think I was just going too fast. This is done. So now you can see how this is the main scene. Progress bar is going, and when it hits the end, it goes to the loading layer, and then it just works like that. Alright, that's all for this video. Next video, for part 2, we're gonna add a button. Yeah, play button. This is how it might be. So right now, it's gonna be like this right now, like this. But it might not be like this. It's gonna be like a different way. This I made it by Adobe Photoshop, but I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna go one by one. So I hope you like this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna put all the resources in the comments. I mean the description. Yeah, like and subscribe for more. There should be like around 10 to 20 parts. Depends. Alright, bye.